Oh, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2018 Nissan Pathfinder, stock number 6365. This ran from the 12th 2016 to the 4th 2021. It has a VQ35 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a CVT transmission. This is a VQ35 V6 petrol engine. Left front headlamp, left front guard no damage, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag ball tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left rear tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right front headlight, right front master switch, right front door card, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,